Java. The name alone sparks recognition, even among those unfamiliar with the world of computer programming. But what is it about this language that has led to its global dominance? Java emerged in the mid-1990s, a time when the internet was in its infancy. It was designed with a simple yet powerful goal to create a language that could run on any device, regardless of its operating system. This revolutionary concept, known as platform independence, catapulted Java to the forefront of the programming world. It was no longer necessary to write different versions of a program for different machines. Java had broken down the walls, ushering in a new era of connectivity and accessibility. Java's impact on the technological landscape is undeniable. From the smallest embedded systems to large-scale enterprise applications, Java's versatility shines through. But what makes it so ubiquitous? One key factor is its widespread use in Android app development. With billions of Android devices worldwide, Java has become the backbone of the mobile experience. But Java's influence extends far beyond smartphones. It plays a crucial role in web development, powering dynamic websites and online applications. Its robustness and scalability make it ideal for handling large amounts of data and complex transactions. Financial institutions, government agencies, and countless other organizations rely on Java for its reliability and security. It's the silent workhorse behind the scenes, ensuring smooth operation and seamless user experiences. Java's mantra, "Write once, run anywhere," lies at the heart of its appeal. This platform independence is achieved through the Java Virtual Machine, or JVM. Think of the JVM as an interpreter between your Java code and the underlying operating system. When you write a Java program, it is compiled into bytecode, an intermediate language that the JVM can understand. This bytecode can then be executed on any device that has a JVM installed, regardless of its hardware or operating system. This eliminates the need for platform-specific code, saving developers time and effort. This portability is a game changer, allowing developers to reach a wider audience without having to rewrite their code for different platforms. It's a testament to Java's forward-thinking design and its enduring relevance in the ever-evolving tech world. In today's digital landscape, security is paramount. Java recognizes this and incorporates robust security features into its core. From its inception, Java was designed with security in mind. Its strict type checking and exception handling mechanisms help prevent common programming errors that can lead to vulnerabilities. The JVM itself acts as a security sandbox, isolating Java code from the underlying system. This prevents malicious code from accessing sensitive data or causing harm to the device. Furthermore, Java provides a range of security APIs and libraries that developers can use to implement authentication, authorization, and encryption. These tools empower developers to build secure and trustworthy applications. Section 5. Object-Oriented Programming, Building with Blocks. Java embraces the object-oriented programming, or OOP, paradigm, a powerful approach to software development that emphasizes modularity and reusability. In OOP, software is designed around objects, which are like building blocks that encapsulate data and behavior. These objects can interact with each other, forming complex systems. Java's OOP features, such as inheritance and polymorphism, promote code reusability and maintainability. This makes it easier to develop and maintain large-scale applications. The OOP approach also aligns well with real-world scenarios, making it easier to model complex systems in code. This intuitive nature contributes to Java's popularity among developers. Section 6. Java in Action, Real-World Examples. Java's versatility is evident in its wide range of applications across various industries. Let's explore some real-world examples where Java plays a pivotal role. The vast majority of Android apps are built using Java. From popular social media platforms to productivity tools and games, Java powers the mobile experience for billions of users. Java's robustness and scalability make it well-suited for developing complex web applications. E-commerce platforms, online banking systems, and content management systems often rely on Java. Java's security features and reliability have made it a staple in the financial industry. It's used in trading systems, risk management software, and other critical applications. These are just a few examples of Java's impact. Its adaptability and wide range of libraries and frameworks make it suitable for countless other applications. Section 7. Java versus the rest. A look at the competition. While Java enjoys immense popularity, it's not the only language in the programming world. Other languages, such as Python, C++, and JavaScript, also have their strengths and weaknesses. Python, known for its simplicity and readability, excels in data science and machine learning. C++, a powerful language often used in game development, offers fine-grained control over system hardware. JavaScript dominates front-end web development, bringing interactivity to websites. However, Java's balance of platform independence, security, robustness, and a vast ecosystem of libraries and frameworks makes it a compelling choice for a wide range of applications. Its mature ecosystem and large community provide developers with ample resources and support. Section 8. The Java Community, a world of support. One of Java's greatest strengths lies in its vast and active community. Millions of developers worldwide contribute to Java's growth and evolution. Online forums, communities, and conferences provide platforms for Java enthusiasts to share knowledge, seek help, and collaborate on projects. This collaborative spirit fosters innovation and ensures that Java remains relevant and up to date. The open-source nature of Java also plays a significant role in its success. Developers can access and contribute to the source code, leading to continuous improvement and the development of new libraries and frameworks. This strong community support is invaluable for both beginners and experienced Java developers. It's a testament to Java's enduring appeal and its ability to bring people together. Section 9. Learning Java, your gateway to tech. With its widespread use and promising career prospects, learning Java is a valuable investment for aspiring programmers. Numerous online courses, tutorials, and books cater to different learning styles and skill levels. Java's well-defined syntax and comprehensive documentation make it a relatively approachable language to learn. Starting with the basics of variables, data types, and control flow, learners can gradually progress to more advanced concepts like object-oriented programming, exception handling, and multi-threading. The abundance of online resources and the supportive Java community make the learning process engaging and rewarding. With dedication and practice, anyone can master the art of Java programming. Section 10. Java's future, still going strong. As technology continues to evolve at an unprecedented pace, one might wonder about the future of Java. Will it remain relevant in the years to come? Despite the emergence of new programming languages, Java's position as a dominant force in the tech world remains unshaken. Its adaptability, continuous evolution, and strong community support ensure its continued relevance. Java's embrace of new technologies, such as cloud computing, big data, and the Internet of Things, further solidifies its position as a future-proof language. Its versatility allows it to adapt to emerging trends and power the next generation of applications. As long as there is a need for robust, secure, and platform-independent software, Java will continue to thrive. Its legacy of innovation and its ability to empower developers worldwide guarantee its enduring legacy in the world of programming.